Hello folks, I'm LA Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. You know, anytime you're trying to size up a trade, whether you're going long or short, the most important thing you have to do first is size up where this thing can move to. And in this particular case, you know, the biotech industry, in particular the IBB, the Nasdaq Biotech Fund, has been on a tremendous decline, right? Going from about 275 down to about 207. Significant decline. Now it's bouncing. First question you always got to ask is how far can it bounce? And when you look at this chart, you know, the TA Today charts tell you that this is the area, and that is the area. Where's the next one? Well, the next one actually will print in this area if that one falls, most likely. And that would be the next area. So if you're looking at this from a short perspective or a long perspective, your target, you know, is here and then again up here. And we're talking about 15 points. So that tells me that if you're going to short this thing, you got to have a stop above this because you don't want to sit there for 15 points. It also tells me that if this comes up here, fails and comes back, then you have to look at the other side and say, okay, where is the bottom zone? And again, the TA charts are going to point that out to you. There's one here, you can see the green, and they've got two of them down here together. Those are the places that you want to buy on the retrace. So the ideal here being you go up, right? You come off this big spike bar, right? You come up off of that. You fail at some point, you pull back, either a smaller retrace and a big shot up, or a deeper retrace and a smaller shot up. Either one gives you some sort of a potential push to the upside. And I suspect that's the way this is going to play out. You're going to get a pullback and then some sort of an attempted push. If it does get over the B point, then you'll get an ABCD structure. And that would eventually take you to this high, which is really the high that you probably want to short for a longer term short. If you're shorting here, it's a short term trade. It's not going to last long. Profitable potentially, but it's not going to last long. That's the IBB, and that is today's 1 minute trade.